Here's we're kayaking using a trolling motor. There's the homemade bracket, as you can see, made out of wood. So it's attaches at the stern, just with some rope and bungee cord. And as you can see, we're going pretty well. I mean, I don't know, maybe like 10 knots, I would say. Yeah. So, and we're doing this on the American River, and this is near Folsom, California. So the plan is to use this inflatable kayak with the trolling motor and homemade bracket as a dinghy in order to get to the shore from the sailboat when it's at anchor and back to the sailboat. In the future videos, I will demonstrate to you how it's done, but this is an experiment for now. American River is very relaxing near Folsom, California. But if we keep going downstream, we eventually will go to Sacramento River and eventually to San Francisco Bay. Probably will take us a few days on a kayak or a small sailboat. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to our channel, the Sailing Channel. Thank you.